In this video, you'll learn how to center text within Notion. This process involves several straightforward steps that will enable you to format your text effectively. By the end, you will have successfully centered your text in a Notion page. Start by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Google homepage. This can be done by typing google.com into the address bar and pressing the enter key. This step ensures you can access Notion directly from a search engine. In the search bar, type Notion and press enter again. This action will display a list of search results related to Notion. From the results, locate the official Notion website, which is typically the first link. Click on notion.so to be redirected to the Notion homepage. Once you are on the Notion homepage, you may need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Enter your login credentials to access your Notion workspace. After logging in, you will be taken to your main dashboard where you can create and manage pages. To begin centering text, you will need to add a new page. Look for the option to create a new page, usually found in the sidebar or as a plus icon. Click on this option to open a blank page where you can enter your text. This blank canvas will allow you to format your content as needed. Next, click on the blank space on your new page to start typing. Enter the text that you wish to center. This could be a title, a heading, or any other text you want to highlight. Make sure to finalize your text before moving on to the next step. After typing your text, you will need to select it. Click on the 6 dots that appear to the left of your text when you hover over it. These dots indicate that you can modify the block settings. This selection is crucial for changing the formatting of your text. Once you click on the 6 dots, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Turn Into. This action allows you to change the block type of your text, which is necessary for centering it properly. In the next options that appear, look for block equation and click on it. This will convert your text into a format that can be centered. It is important to note that this method allows for precise alignment of your text, enhancing its visual appeal. After selecting block equation, you should see your text centered on the page. This visual confirmation indicates that the process was successful. Make sure to check the alignment and adjust if necessary to ensure it meets your design preferences.